Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Class 6, Subject Science, topic More about Plant, Part 4. Leaves. Last class we discussed about stem, and this class we are going to discuss about leaf. Structure of leaf and functions we are going to discuss. And different plants have different types of leaf. Some plants have very small size leaf. Some plants have very broad size leaf. Let me see about structure of leaf. See where the leaf starts to grow, and this part is known as pictole. And the center point is known as midrib. From the midrib, the lines passes through, and this is known as veins. And this part is known as veins. And the flat surface of the leaf, green color, is known as lamina or leaf blade. Lamina or leaf blade. And these are the main structure of the leaf. Leaf is a flat, thin and green in color, and it is called as kitchen of the plant, and it prepares food for the plant. And let me see that part, pictode, stalk of leaf, and this is part is known as pictode. Lamina or leaf blade, the broad expand part of the leaf is known as lamina. And midrib, that is the center vein of the leaf, and this is midrib. Veins, network of branches raising from the midrib, and this is veins. Okay, simple leaf and compound leaf, two types of leaf. If single leaf is attached with the pictode, and it is known as simple leaf. If double leaf is attached, divided two leaves, and it is compound leaf. Let me see how the veins are arranged in the leaf and what are the types. The veins are arranged one to parallel. It is parallel vein. And if the veins are arranged into netted like network like netted veins, it is reticulate venation. So the veins arranged in the leaf is known as venation, and if the leaves are arranged in a netted like, it is known as reticulate venation. If the veins are arranged one another to parallel, it is parallel venation. Example, banana leaf. Parallel venation, banana leaf. So when veins are arranged in the one another parallel, it is parallel venation. If it is arranged in a net-like pattern, and it is known as reticulate venation. Banana leaf is an example for parallel venation. Let me see about some functions of leaf. Leaves are responsible for making food. It is known as kitchen of the plant. And leaves capture sunlight which the plant then it is used food through photosynthesis. And with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and it prepare a food, and this is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means prepare a food. And the leaves have a small structure inside that is known as stomata. You can see through microscope, and it releases extra water from the leaf. You can see the movement, stomata movement in this picture. The green leaves make food needed by the plant with the help of carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Let me see the functions of leaf. And three main functions for the leaf: move oxygen and carbon dioxide in and out of the plant, evaporation of water to move from water up from roots, capture sunlight for the photosynthesis. It absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis, and it is a very important structure in the plant, and it prepares food for the plant, and it loses extra water from the stomata, and this process is known as transpiration. And leaves are side gas exchanges also. They take in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen during photosynthesis. Let me say some modifications of leaf. The first one is support. How we explained in the stem, it is changed into tendril. The same, some plants leaf also change into tendril. And leaves of some plants are modified to form a special structure called tendril. These help the plant to attach and climb up a support. And you can see here the leaf become tendril. Next one is protection. Leaves of some plants, Opentia, are modified to form a special structure called spines. So this helps from the amount of water that plant loses. So it protects some plant from the animals. Multiplication in plants. Leaves of some plants have buds that grow in a new plant, and pronobium is an example for this, to form a new plant from the leaf. And thank you. I hope you understand. We discussed this from this part: leaf, leaf structure, function, and modification of leaf. Thank you. Let me see next class.